We'll begin by stripping off the outer jacket. Strip back approximately 2 or 3 inches back for working length. Remove the outer jacket and separate the 4 twisted pairs. Remove the insulating material from the center. Begin untwisting the 4 sets of twisted pairs. Begin straightening out each individual wire gently so that each wire is uniform. Once each wire is straight, line them all up evenly and trim at an equal length. We will now align the wires in the correct orientation. White-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, brown. Holding the easy register jack, slide all wires uniformly into and through the slot in the connector. Double-check the orientation of the wires and that they are in the correct order. Feed the excess wire all the way through the slot and ensure the connector is fully inserted into the tool. Once fully inserted, begin the crimping operation. Compress the handle until the tool goes through the full cycle, completing the crimp.